Okay, here's the tutorial on a mini pony bead ring. So what you're gonna need is different colors of mini pony beads, and then some stretch cord, a needle, and then I use a normal pony bead as a stopper. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this on to the end. And then go ahead and put your needle on. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, like that. Go ahead and let those fall. Okay, so here's this. And then you're gonna get purple, and you're gonna go through the blue, then you're gonna get a green, go through the yellow, then you're gonna get an orange, and then go through the pink. And you're just gonna pull it tight. And then once you get a couple rows done, it will pull tight by itself. So this is what it's gonna start to look like. Then what you're gonna do is flip it over, and you're gonna add pink, and then go through the orange, and you're gonna add yellow, go through the green, and blue, go through purple. And flip it over. So your purple, go through blue, and again green, go through yellow, orange, go through that. Okay. Then pink, go through orange, yellow, go through the green, and then you're gonna get a blue, go through purple, flip it over, purple, go through, and you're gonna get green, go through yellow, and orange, okay, flip it over, pink, go through the orange, yellow, and blue, go through the purple. So this is what it looks like. So you're just gonna keep adding down each row until you get to the length that you want. right, so once you get it to the length that you want, it's gonna look like something like this. Which you just want, you can make it any length you want. You just want to remember, in order to make it into a ring, you want this one, this string pulled this way, and then this one pointing down. So what you can do is you can go ahead, take this pony bead off, and what you're going to do to close it up, you're going to take this, and then you're going to take the needle and go through this purple, and you're going to weave it through. Yellow. Orange, and you're going to go through the pink. Okay, you can go ahead and take your needle off. So now it's going to look like this. And what you can do, go ahead and pull it tight. Like that, and you can just tie it off. And that's what it looks like.